Okay, quick review of dividing. Remember that when you are dividing, one of the most important things that you need to do is the keep, switch, flip, where you keep your first fraction exactly like it is, you switch the sign to multiplication, and you flip your second fraction. Now you've got a multiplication problem, and you just need to follow the rules for multiplying and make sure you write your answer as simple as possible. So in this first example, we're going to keep the first fraction exactly like it is, switch the division to multiplication, and flip our second fraction. Okay, so notice the 25x is now on top. Now we need to treat this just like a multiplication problem, so we're going to factor each piece here. This first numerator factors into the 2 times the x minus 3. 25 is 5 and 5 and x. 5x squared is 5x and x. And the 3 minus x can't be factored, so we just write it as a quantity. Now we're ready to reduce. That's the idea. That's why we factors, because we want to reduce down the numbers as small as possible. There's a 5 on top and bottom and an x on top and bottom that will cancel. They just eliminate each other. Then we've got our x minus 3 and our 3 minus x. They're not exactly the same. They're opposites, so they're going to leave behind that -1. Everything that can be canceled or reduced down has been, so now we're going to just multiply across the numerator, across the denominator, and we've got a simplified answer of -10 over x. Second example, again, keep the first fraction, switch to multiplication, flip the second fraction. Check. Factor each part. X plus 1 cannot be factored. 3x plus 5, you can take 3x plus 15, you can factor out a 3. X plus 5 cannot be factored, and the x squared minus 1 is a difference of squares, so that's how we've got these different pieces factored down like they are. Reducing or canceling out each of the things that are exactly alike, the x plus 1s are going to reduce, and the x plus 5s are going to reduce, leaving us with 3 on top, x minus 1 on bottom. Hope this review helps.